climb a mountain, but it doesn't stay on there. Yeah. On my belly.
Jesse? Where are you? Where am I, Jesse?
I'm not telling you. Where's James?
What the? Oh, he's the main character. Pretty much, he's like,
Yeah.
Jesse, get away from me! I'm not even with you, Jesse.
No! Oh, Jesse, rescue me!
No!
I'm gonna eat you, Jesse! Will I have to kill this poor innocent animal?
No!
Then help me!
Her head is lost.
Right there.
Oh.
Ah! No! How dare you, you little kid! And he made. This is what he made him do. This is what the monster made him do.
Jesse and James sitting in a tree.
K-I-S-S-I-N-G. Wait.
Jesse and James.
Wait, sitting in the tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, second is marriage. Third is a.
Jesse and James sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G.
What?
I'm gonna make you sausage, okay?
Oh, okay.
Oh, get off me, you crap!
Dad!
Yeah.
I'm supposed to have chicken strips.
Oh, do you want chicken strips or tuna casserole?
Chicken strips and the fries.
Okay.
K-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, second is marriage, third is power.
Jordan, my butt.
Get away.